code like this. Name 12 equal to Skyla. It doesn't show an error because it is right way to declare a variable. Next, move to the second one. Second rule. It should not contain any special keys. Example, name @123 Skyla, or else ash name equal to Skyla. When we write a code like this, it shows an error because we are used an special keys. That's why it shows an error. Third one, it should not take space. When we declaring a variable, we should not take any such kind of space. Here, fruit name equal to apple. Then, when we declare a variable like this, it shows an error because we are used a space here. That's why it shows an error. But instead of space, we can use underscore. Then it doesn't show any error. Like fruit underscore name equal to apple. When we write a code like this, it doesn't show any error because we are used instead of space underscore. That's why it doesn't show any error. Let's write a code. Take an example. Here declaring write a code like this, it doesn't show any error because we are used instead of space underscore. That's why it doesn't show any error. Let's write a code. Take an example. Here declaring a variable like name equal to Tswrdc. Next, name 123 Tswrdc. Here print name 123. Then what is our output? Output is Tswrdc and Tswrdc. Take an example. 1, 2 things equal to bag. Then what is our output? Output is an error because we are started with numbers. That's why it shows an error. If we write like this, things that equals to bag, then our output is then print things. Good afternoon to everyone. I am Rakshita, pursuing MSDS first year A section. Now I am here to explain about Python and its rules to declare variable. First of all, what is Python? What is Python? Python is a programming language which is high-level language. High-level language is nothing but its user can understand the language. That's why it is also called as user understandable language. It is very simple and easy to write a code because of its syntax. Its syntax is like our English only. Let's move to rules to declare a variable. Now rules to declare variable. Before going to rules, first of all, what is variable? Variable is nothing but container. Variable stores the data or else change its value also. Let's see example. X is equal to 1. Here 1 is stored in x value, x variable. That's why x is called container. Here x stores 1. That's why we can call as container or else variable. Now rules to declare variable. In that there are 4 rules. First one is it should not start with numbers. It should not contain any special keys. It should not take space. Instead of space we can use underscore. First one is it should not start with numbers. Example, when we write a code like this, it shows an error because when we declaring a variable, we have started with numbers. That's why it shows an error. But we can write